Wow, this is actually a pretty nice looking smartphone. Hey guys, how's it going? And this is the Blackview S8, a kind of mid/low range budget smartphone from China. And let's look at the specifications for the cell phone. So it's got 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of ROM, 3000 mAh battery, which is not too big, and a 720p screen on a 5.7-inch display. And there's also Android 7.0. Nothing else special. Let's get on with the unboxing itself. This is the phone itself. I'm gonna put that aside. And here we have the accessories. Headphones, which means we have a headphone jack, which is nice. And that means that we have no headphone jack. It's just a USB-C. That's really too bad. Here we have USB-C and an adapter as well. Charger. SIM popper. And we have a frosted TPU case, which actually feels okay. It's still pretty bad quality TPU, but it's not too bad quality. And here we have the manual. And we also have a stand here as well. So I really find that Blackview is really stepping up their accessory game, but I don't know how much that will help if the phone itself is crap. Build quality wise, well, you can see that there's already fingerprints on the back of this phone. That was pretty fast. It's plastic, and I believe that the back here is not removable, even though it looks like it could be. It's plastic, as you can hear that, plastic. And then there's the dual cameras, the fingerprint sensor, buttons, SIM tray, and USB-C jack. To be honest, this phone actually looks fairly nice. It doesn't feel super nice because it is plastic and kind of budgety, but it should be good enough. So let's turn this on and see what we got. Wow, this is actually a pretty nice looking smartphone. I'm actually very impressed with the bezels you see around the display. They're not the smallest bezels. The bezels on a lot of other phones are smaller, but the bezels on this are actually decent. They're not too big, but they're not too small either, which is actually quite impressive for a cheap phone from Blackview. So as you can see, there's a very light skin on top of Android. There's a couple of custom icons, but the launcher is pretty stock. But as you can see, the notification screen has a little bit of icon skinning as well. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as the BV9000 Pro, which I just unboxed. I would have preferred completely stock Android with no skins at all. I mean, it makes your life just so much easier, Blackview. There's really no reason to add skins on top of Android. So I'm not going to dwell too much on this unboxing. I'm going to get down to testing the phone and coming out with my full review as soon as possible. If you want to see more videos like this, why not subscribe? It's free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.